The following are the required tools needed for this PM. You'll need a small paintbrush, canned air or small vacuum cleaner, Phillips head screwdriver, and lastly, a lint-free cloth. Before turning the machine off, check the operator screen for current settings and errors.
To turn the MOJO cabinet off, the power circuit breaker is on the left-hand side. Open up the P4 logic cage to access the main board, the graphics card, and the I/O card. To remove the MP4 logic board, unscrew the screw and remove the harness. And pull out the main board. When cleaning the main MPU board, first you want to blow everything of all dust and debris. Insert something into the fan to keep the fan from spinning as you blow it. This will ensure that the blades don't spin backwards and risking burning out the bearings.
Once the main board has been removed, we can clean the inside of the logic cage, the graphics card, and the I/O board. When cleaning, ensure that all cables and harnesses plugged into the backplane have a good connection and are all plugged in. Using a blower, you will need to ensure the I/O board, the graphics card, the fan on the logic cage, and the backplane are free of dirt, dust, and debris.
Once your PM process is complete, you must reassemble the logic cage. Place the board inside, attach the harness, then finish up with attaching the screw. The final step of the preventive maintenance on the logic cage is to put the door on, make sure the vent across the front is clean and clear of all dirt and debris. Insert, close, and lock. Take canned air or form of a blower and blow as needed. When reattaching the light panel, reconnect your Molex. Dip switch for all different colors. Make sure your vents are clear. And screw both of the thumb screws in. To remove the ticket printer, unscrew the 4 screws and remove ticket printer and set it on the MOJO. Remove the printer paper from the printer. Clean tray of all dust and debris. Open up the printer head assembly, clean off all rollers, mechanisms of all dirt. After you've put the printer back into its location, take the 4 screws, attach and tighten. When cleaning out the MOJO cabinet, use a canned air blower. Blow out all of the vents. There's several vents on the back, on the sides, one down on the side. Just make sure everything is all clean and clear of dirt and debris. The top piece, same thing. Just give everything a good dusting of air. The last and final step of the preventive maintenance is takes a rag with some glass cleaner and wipe down the full outside exterior of the cabinet, arm rail, underneath, sides of all fingerprints, dirt, and debris. Powering back on the MOJO cabinet, the circuit breaker on the left-hand side. We'll turn the unit back on. This concludes the preventive maintenance for the MOJO cabinet. If you have any questions, you can contact technical training at scientificgames.com.